How to turn off beta updates on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then tap on the VPN and device management option you see there firstly. Further, go ahead and disconnect any type of VPN that you are connected to, and now go back and tap on the software update option you see there. Further, you will see the option for beta updates there. So tap on the beta updates option you see there and then set it to off. And with this, beta updates on your iPhone will be disabled. So this is how you can turn off beta updates on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.